Welcome back to another quick Ryobi drill tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you what to do when your Ryobi drill chuck is stuck open. So as we can see here, our chuck here, you can see it's now stuck open. So what we first want to do is make sure we go into speed setting 1. Then you want to make sure we go into drill mode. This gives you the full power of your Ryobi drill. Now you want to put the drill on a firm basis here, and if this tab is pushed all the way in, you want to push it all the way facing you with the drill pointing left. Then you want to grab the chuck and slowly press the trigger, keeping a tight grip on the chuck. Don't hold on to the gear mechanism here, just the black bit here at the end of the chuck. So we hold this, slightly press the trigger here, we should hear it pop. There we go, just popped. Sometimes it's easier or harder than others, and we should, if we just hold the chuck now, you should see it coming forward. There we go. We have successfully unstuck the chuck on our Ryobi drill. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.